Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring the new number is active on your iPhone or SIM, because iMessage and FaceTime use reachable numbers to register. Sign into the same Apple ID so messages and calls stay linked. Once done, open Settings and tap Messages, then FaceTime to begin changing numbers. This is the first actionable step. Make sure cellular data or Wi-Fi is on, since Apple needs to contact its servers to verify the new number and update other devices. You now change the actual registration. First, confirm the new number appears in Settings phone under My Number, edit if necessary. Then disable iMessage and FaceTime, wait about 30 seconds to clear prior registration, and re-enable them so Apple re-registers the current number. If prompted, choose the new number for both services. Make sure you remain connected to data, because activation uses SMS or network signaling to verify ownership, and that process can take a minute or two. You finalize by verifying the change. Open Messages and FaceTime, then confirm the caller ID and send /receive settings show the new number. If other Apple devices still show the old number, sign out and back into your Apple ID on them to force a sync. If something goes wrong, restart the iPhone, confirm your carrier supports the required SMS or activation messages, and then wait up to 24 hours for propagation. Many issues resolve after a restart or a short network delay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.